Welcome to this video on using the lower and upper functions in Microsoft Excel. So these functions are really useful if you want to change the case of any text within Microsoft Excel. So if you've got stuff in capitals and you want it all to be lowercase, or you've got lowercase and you need it all in capitals for your data to keep it consistent, then these are really useful functions to tidy up your information. Especially if you don't want to retype it all out and do things like that. So I've created this extra column, and you can see to the left hand side I've got the full name. It is as we would expect it, with the correct upper and lower case, capitalization, etc. But I want all of this in uppercase. I want it all in capital letters. So what I'm just going to do is equals, and then I'm going to do upper. So I'm going to type it in. Just like any other function, you can use the formula section, you can use the formula bar just below the ribbon, or you can just start typing it in anywhere. And I'm just going to say upper, and I'm going to tell the system what I want to change. So I'm going to click on column C and close it. And then just press enter, and you can see that Alice Johnson is now in full capital letters. So I don't have to go in and over type that or anything. If I scroll down and pull it down, you can now see that all of those are in capital letters, which is really, really useful. And it's so easy to do. It's just equals and upper, and then select the cell that you want to change to all capital letters. I'm just going to show you lower just to pull it back. So I'm just going to insert another cell. And then in this one, instead of upper, I'm going to do equals and lower. And again, I'm going to select Alice Johnson, and I'm going to remember to close my brackets, but I've selected Alice Johnson that is currently in all capital letters. And when I press enter, you can now see it's pulled all into lowercase, which might be useful if you're dealing with emails or anything like that. So again, if I pull that down, then you can see that that's all really nice in there. The final one I want to show you is, because this option is all in lowercase, to get it back to where we were before, there's one final one that I can show you here as a bonus one. So let me just put in a final column. And in this one, instead of upper or lower, I'm going to put proper in. And again, I'm going to select the Alice Johnson that I was just working with a moment ago, close the brackets and press enter. And now you can see I'm back where I am. There's capital letters at the beginning of names, and everything else is lowercase. So if I pull that down there all the way, I missed one, you can see I've got all of that information back like I initially had at the first. So I've got upper on the first one, lower on the second, and then proper on the third. So you've got different ways that you can just change the text data within Microsoft Excel. So have a go at those. Please do like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you would like me to record in the future.